Today we're going to be changing out the power seat switch on our 2013 Ford Edge. Our switch isn't working, and there's 3 buttons on it. And if yours is like this, we'll show you how to do it. What you'll need is a Torx T20 and a pry tool. There's just one screw that you have to take off, and it's right over here. It's a T20 Torx. It's also connected with a clip, so you're gonna have to pop it out. There you go. See this bar right here? This bar fits into this plate right here. So it fits into that hole, so you just gotta pull it up and push it out. So now that we've done that, let's just pry these off. It snaps right out. Same thing with this one. Okay. There we go. Okay. It clips onto that, so that's the way it is. That's the way it looks. Okay. They just make a lot of noise. All right, now we can. So your switch is held in by these clips right here. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. So now that I got it out, there we go. Okay. Now that you have it out, press on this button here, and that unclips it. And there's your switch. As you can see, ours is a little dirty. Some dog hair. We'll get a new one, and we'll pop it in there and button it up. Let's get our new switch in here. Plug it in. Let's give it a try. Yeah, baby. Let's try the back. Well, these have to be on together. Oh, there we go. So that's working. Let's slide her back into place. That's it. And just pop it in like that. Okay, there we go. Okay, get our caps. Start with this one. Right here. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone on that one. All right, and then push your side panel back in. Let's get our screw. There we go. All right. And that's how you change out your power seat switch on your 2013 Ford Edge. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.